Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Xiaomi Redmi 13C. So you have to start with opening your Google application and now click on your avatar and then go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and voice match. Now click here to enable Hey Google option. Now click more, then I agree, then more, then I agree. Now click next. And now click on voice model and then click on retrain voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click next and then click back and click back again, and now click on lock screen and click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my assistant will work on lock screen. Hey Google. And as you can see, my assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.